Hello, and thank you for taking a few minutes to watch our annual report video. I'm Judge McGinnis, one of the judges here at the 52nd-4 District Court. The court is located off Big Beaver Road in Troy and serves the communities of Troy and Clawson. It is one of 4 divisions of the 52nd District Court, which are funded by Oakland County. We prepared this report to give you a brief overview of what the court does and a glimpse specifically into 2023. Thank you again for taking the time to watch. We hope you learned something new and enjoy the presentation. Judge Travis Reeds is the Chief Judge of all 4 divisions of the 52nd District Court. Judge Reeds is a graduate of Wayne State University Law School and was elected to the bench in 2014. He was recently appointed Chief Judge by the Michigan Supreme Court to a 2-year term, which began on January 1st of 2024. He's a sitting judge in the 1st Division, which is located in Novi, but he has administrative oversight over all 4 divisions. The 2 judges who sit in 52-4 are myself and Judge Kirsten Nielsen Hardig. You will learn a little bit more about us in just a minute. Jennifer Phillips is our court administrator, and along with Brianna Purdy, our deputy court administrator, they are responsible for all administrative functions of the court, including human resources, budgeting, technology, and case flow management. Chief Probation Officer Patricia Bates oversees the probation department and our drug treatment court. We have 2 part-time magistrates, Elizabeth Chappelli and Karen Liddell, who sit on a rotating basis along with assistants from other 52nd District Court magistrates. Last but definitely not least, we have a staff of over 35 full and part-time supervisors, clerks, and probation officers who provide excellent service to the public every single day. We also have outstanding Oakland County Sheriff's deputies who keep the building safe and secure. Just to give you a little bit of background information about myself, I've included the following, which you can see up on the screen. I was elected to the bench here in the Troy District Court in 2014. I had my first day on the job January 1st of 2015, and I'm in the middle of my 2nd term. I was reelected in 2020. I am currently the presiding judge here at our district court in Troy, and I'm also the chief pro tem, working closely with our chief judge, Travis Reeds. I've included a number of things that I've been involved in my time on the bench. Something that I'm very proud of and hold very dear to my heart is the opportunity that I have to be a treatment court judge here in our court. I've been doing this since 2018, and it is definitely one of the best parts of the job.
Hello, I am Judge Kirsten Nielsen Hardig, and it is my pleasure and privilege to serve the cities of Troy and Clawson as one of your 2 district court judges. I was elected to the bench in 2010 and took the bench January 1st, 2011. I am currently in my 3rd term, having been reelected 2 separate times for a total of 13.5 years so far. Thank you for taking a moment to learn more about our court. We are the People's Court. We have more contact with the citizens of our jurisdictions than any other court. That is a pleasure, in my opinion. I am very pleased to have been a treatment court judge since 2012 continuously, and it is a joy to be involved in the separation of individuals from their addiction and restoration of them to society and to their families. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you find it informative. This slide shows the types of cases we hear in the district court. Again, the district court is often called the People's Court because more people are likely to have contact with the district court than any other court. The district court handles traffic violations, all civil cases with claims up to $25,000, small claims cases with a value less than $7,000, and all landlord-tenant matters both for Troy and Clawson. The court also hears misdemeanor criminal cases up to and including trial and/or sentencing. In addition, the court handles the arraignments, probable cause conferences, and preliminary exams on all felony matters. Felonies are the most serious criminal matters and include offenses up to and including homicide. We will explain the case types in more detail later in this report. This slide shows our court's current caseload since 2019. As the chart shows, the overall caseload dipped significantly during the pandemic. It has been slowly rising and topped out at 14,596 new filings in 2023. The filings for each category are shown on the following slides. For felony cases, the initial hearings, which include the arraignment, probable cause conference, and preliminary exam, all occur in the district court. At the preliminary exam, the judge makes a determination as to whether there is probable cause that a crime was committed and that the defendant probably committed the crime. If so, the case is bound over to the Oakland County Circuit Court for trial or other disposition. Felony cases that have come through the court in the last year include operating while intoxicated, third offense or more, stalking, embezzlement, and homicide, in addition to the other offenses noted on the slide. With very few exceptions, misdemeanor cases begin and stay at the district court. Some of the most common offenses are listed on the slide. The most serious misdemeanor offenses may result in a defendant being placed on probation or possibly sent to jail as part of their sentence for up to 1 year. In some cases, a defendant may be screened for underlying substance abuse issues and/or mental health issues, which may help get the person into one of our treatment courts so that the court can assist with recovery, treatment, and support in addition to probation supervision. Treatment courts have proven not only to assist the individual affected by substance abuse, but to reduce recidivism, therefore making our communities safer. Tickets. This is what district court is likely the most known for, but hopefully not by anyone watching this presentation. Speeding is the most common traffic violation, but distracted driving tickets are on the rise. Be careful and don't text and drive.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Phillips, the court administrator here in 52-4. As is shown on this slide, the court brought in close to $2.7 million in fines, costs, fees, and assessments in 2023. The money was then distributed to the cities of Troy and Clawson, Oakland County, the state of Michigan, the State Library Fund, as well as to crime victims. It's important to note that the judges are only allowed to assess fines and costs that are authorized by statutes and court rules. Additionally, all monies collected are then distributed to other units of governments or to crime victims. The court cannot create revenue and does not keep any of the money that it collects. Instead, it is distributed as shown on this slide.
Hi, I'm Mariah, the Civil Department Supervisor. Civil cases in District Court include small claims, which involves monetary disputes under $7,000, as well as general civil cases, which involves claims up to $25,000. The Civil Division also handles landlord-tenant disputes, with the most common complaint being for non-payment of rent. New to us in 2023, we trained on and launched MyFile, the state's electronic filing system. We switched from paper files to electronic on December 5th, 2023, and there's no turning back now. It has been a big adjustment for us here at the court, but the technology is great and we are becoming pros at navigating the system. We have a kiosk on site here for any filers who do not have computer access at home, and we can also direct filers to a variety of self-help materials online. We greatly appreciate the support of the legal community as we have made these changes. We're all in this together.
Hello, I'm Patricia Bates, and I oversee the probation department as well as the treatment court here at the 52-4 District Court. We're very proud of our treatment court program and have had another successful year as noted in our stats on the slide. We are achieving our ultimate goal of reducing recidivism, but have also assisted participants in achieving higher levels of education and employment. Most importantly, we are delighted with the success of our participants. $1,000 in grant funding, which covers the salary and benefits of 1 full-time probation officer, incentives for participants, treatment, drug and alcohol testing, peer support, and training for the team. Because of the continued success of our program, we have already received a higher award for 2024 and are seeking an even larger increase in grant funding for 2025. Keep your fingers crossed and stay tuned.
Hi, my name is Brianna Purdy. I'm the Deputy Court Administrator here at the 52-4 District Court in Troy. I can't take any of the credit because I have only been with this court for 3 short months, but I'm still going to take this opportunity to boast about our outstanding public satisfaction survey results. As noted on the chart, 95% of court patrons stated that they either agreed or strongly agreed that they were treated with courtesy and respect by our court staff. Additionally, 89% of court patrons either agreed or strongly agreed that they were able to get their court business done in a reasonable amount of time. Furthermore, 86% of court visitors either agreed or strongly agreed that they understood what was happening on their case. This is an area many courts are trying to focus on. We are making every effort to make the court process as user-friendly as possible. We are focusing on things we can improve, like court signage, clear and understandable forms, and simply taking the time to explain any procedural questions. Of course, we also provide the appropriate interpreter services and ADA accommodations as needed. Hopefully, we can boost this number to 100 on the next survey. Last but not least, 89% of court patrons answered that the judge or magistrate treated everyone with courtesy and respect, regardless of the outcome of their case. Here are some of the kind words that the survey respondents provided. We will continue to strive to go above and beyond to provide excellent customer service, and we look forward to an even higher survey number in years to come.
More information regarding court performance measures, including information regarding caseload, clearance rates, and case age, can be found live on the State of Michigan's One Court of Justice website by clicking on the link provided. Our continued appreciation to the communities of Troy and Clawson, the Oakland County Executive's Office, the Oakland County Board of Commissioners, the Michigan Supreme Court, and the State Court Administrative Office for their ongoing support in the operations and funding of the 52nd District Court. Additionally, our heartfelt gratitude to our outstanding staff. We appreciate your hard work, dedication, and exceptional service to the public. And please don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Thank you for watching our presentation.